some areas will be able to take photos and some not. So this room we're going into will be okay to take photos. The second floor is okay, but the third floor and the fourth floor and the first floor will be no pictures. So thank you very much. We'll start off in here. This is the archive room. Yeah, this is a little room, but basically with some history of Tamiya stuff, right from the first, the earliest wooden models, all the way around to more modern and to RC models as well over here. So I'll give you 5 minutes or so, so please have a look around. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.
Finally, we arrived, Parsh? We arrived at the Tamiya HQ display. I'm here with Dan from the US. Vintage stuff.
1970s.
Vintage. Of course, the RC vintage. My favorite. My favorite. Also my favorite.
You have one of those?
This one, I have this one.
Oh, wow.
This is my first one.
Wow. You still have it?
Yeah.
Dang.
But I want this, but I don't have it. I'm with View from US. I have quite a few, but RC cars.
Joel, yung ano mo, Willis mo.
Oh, meron pa ako niyan sa bahay. Original.
Regional WRO1.
Ito lang ang hinahanap natin, the RC archive. Mga panahon natin. Yung charger, meron pa ako.
Ha?
Meron ako niyan, charger. Tamiya charger.
Sa akin yung second version na.
Meron na niyan. So, we have here, I think, from Team USA and Team Philippines, the newer TRF cars. Kaninong trophy yan, John? So this is the IFMA 2012. Huh? Cannot be 20. Yeah. Gilles. Cross cam.
Shizuoka Japan. Dati kasi world champion yun. Sa Indonesia.
Yung sa Thailand.
Go around. We have here the Mini 4-wheel drive, static, and wow, this is wow, big, as in very big, bigger than a human, and lots of military stuff from Tamiya. Again, wow, wow, big. So this is the entire room. Let me do a 360 where Tamiya has their. You see a lot of YouTube videos of this room, but let me do a panoramic 360. There's Porsche. First time in Japan. Very happy. She earned it. She earned her trip. It was hard earned. And I'm just along for the ride. So we have here the Team USA, Team Philippines.